So more on the water tank. This is about a 12-gallon 4-inch PVC tank on the roof of my van, and very different design in the sense that I use the tank and I wrapped it around a 320 watt solar panel, kind of to help keep water off the roof. Because what I have, the ventilation I have on the roof is a couple of holes that are bent upward, created a metal lip, and then it's all underneath the solar panel. Water does not get in there. I just have, some openings that are lipped up, and then I've got some screening, metal screening, stainless steel screening, keep the bugs out. But this is 4-inch PVC, and the in and the out are air valves. Now I know that's not a typical approach, but I just want to show you how. The only catch with this design is that it takes a little bit to get the 12 gallons full, because I do pump the water through this lower valve, and then when the water comes up the top, it's full, and I just use this hand pump, get it to about 40 psi. When it's at 40 psi, and just so you can see what, I've just got an air valve there, and then this air valve connects to this just water valve. Let me see if I can open this. Hold on a second. I'm going to open this. Got 2 ants. And so you can see good pressure. It's not a lot of water. I don't want it to be a lot of water. I mean, this gets hot in Florida, but this will run a good while there with pressure. Given it's a low stream, I can tighten it even more. Good for washing dishes and cleaning. So you can, as the pressure dies off, I can increase the pressure over here. Well, I mean, it's pretty good pressure, and it just keeps going and going. So that air valves, I've got other pictures of that.